Okay, well, I just entered a trade here, which has got 56 minutes to go. You can see where we entered here. It's gone. The big news is that Rex Tillerson has been fired by Trump, so that's having a bit of an effect on the markets. If I go over here, there it is. This is the big one. Secretary of State Tillerson out amid clashes with Trump to be replaced by CIA Director Pompeo. Hope I've pronounced his name correctly there. So that's interrupted my little bit of listening here to Joe Walsh. But I put the trade on for an hour, and let's see what happens. It's about just after 1 o'clock in London, so they're probably digesting the information, and the whole world is as well. So political things seem to be ruling the markets a little bit recently, and if you look at my Twitter here, and I don't like politics, but we have to be aware of it. And this seems to be UK disorderly Brexit could damage overseas investment confidence. Well, that's not our worry at the moment. Get onto Twitter, by the way. It's a really good for, and this Zero Hedge is a good source of contacts. Tillerson aide says Trump never told Tillerson why fired, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I would say this about politics. I would be aware of it. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this. But I'm not participating in it. But you need to be aware of it if you're trading, because unfortunately it has quite an effect sometimes. I'm just testing out this new microphone. I hope you can all hear me well. And put a little bit more money onto this one because I'm a bit more confident about a pullback on the news, even though I don't like this time of day normally. So 54 minutes to go. And it has to be below 78,931. Alright. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I'm just going to say that this is I put slightly more money on this one because I'm trying to recoup losses of earlier on the Aussie US, which went wrong. Okay, I will talk about losers as well, unlike many gurus out there who won't show their results and won't show their trades. This is a live account, and in due course I will be revealing to members only my spot Forex account. Where there's no time limit, of course. Anyway, from me, Nick, I hope you're all well. Be good to each other. Hope you're having a good day. I saw Death Wish today with good old Bruce Willis. It was a good movie. But now back to business, and we'll see how the New York trading session shapes up in the light of the new news from the White House. So from me, Nick, from the trading room, take good care.